So good morning, everyone. Good morning, grade 4.
Good morning, Sir Vincent. Morning, classmates. Morning, classmates.
Okay. So today, we're going to discuss problem solving involving multiplication of whole numbers. Okay, Pangasinense daw. Okay. So, but then we have to recap our lessons first. So last week, we have discussed the estimating the product of whole numbers. Tama?
Yes.
Okay. So what do we mean about estimation? So it means finding a number that is close enough to the actual product. Okay. So for example, we have 624 times 49. So that would be 600 times 49. Tama?
Yes po, teacher.
Kaya naging 6 times 5, that would be 30. Then add 3 zeros, that would become 30,000. Next one, we have 5,800.
Teacher, so we don't need to have 2 times it?
All of it?
Like
No.
this?
No. You just need to estimate it first kasi yun yung lesson muna natin. Okay? So, 5,831 becomes 6,000. Then 239 becomes 200. Bakit? Nag-round off lang tayo nag-round down tayo. Kaya naging 200 siya, tama? Pero kapag ito, yung katabi niya is 5, that would be 300 na sana. Okay, so 6 times 2, that would be 12. Tama? And then 1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5. At add 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be 1,200,000. Simple as that, okay?
Teacher, there are 2 millions in the complete the table. There are 2 millions.
Okay. I didn't notice it yet. Okay. So let's proceed now. So, na afternoon niya naman. Okay, so we also have the multiplying mentally of whole numbers or mental math. When we say mental math, you are using your mind. Okay?
Brain.
Your mind, not your brain. Brain is the one who is functioning. Mind is the way you think, di ba? Okay, so in mental math, you just need to think, di ba?
Yes, what, teacher?
Of the easiest way on how to solve the problem. For example, is this. Using partition method. So 40 times 2. So that would be 86. Kasi nga, 40 times 2, that is 80. And then 3 times 2 is 6. That's 86. Ganun lang. So, hindi ka pwede magsulat. Use only your mind. Okay. So, let's proceed now to our lesson. Solving problems involving multiplication of whole numbers. So, in solving word problems, what are the steps to follow? Or what are the steps you need to follow? Ano yung aso yun?
Me.
Okay, so what are the steps we need to follow in order for us to solve a word problem?
So
First step is to understand the problem, tama? You can
yes.
You can solve the problem without understanding it. So, anong una dapat na tinatanong? What are the given? Or noong I think intermediate kayo, first step is to know what is asked, tama? Ano ba yung tinatanong? So,
Iglesia ni Cristo,
this one. Okay, so what is asked? What are the givens? Tama?
Yes.
So in any word problem, you should know what is asked and followed by what are the given. Chappy?
Ouch.
So let's try
My
to
iPad fell.
So let's try to answer this one. So who wants to read the problem? This one?
Me. Me.
Okay, Krishani. This one.
Mr. De La Rosa is the head of the family. He works in a construction site and receives minimum wage daily. If he daily
If it's
wage
daily,
is
okay.
daily wage is 475 pesos. How much did he earn in 28 days?
Okay. So, how will you solve the given problem? And what are the steps in solving the word problem? So, una nating hanapin, what is asked? Kasi nga, we need to understand the problem first. So, what is asked? Yung tinatanong niya, how much did
How much did he earn in
earn
28
in
days?
28 days? So, what are given? Ano ba yung mga binigay? So, we have 475.
Yes.
And 28
475
days.
and there are
Yes
475. Yes.
And 28 days.
Yes, Vince.
It's for just a single
Okay.
minute.
And Vince, are you there? Okay.
He stopped his camera.
Kaya nga hindi ko narinig. Okay. So, the givens are 475, which is his daily wage. Tama?
Yes, teacher.
So, yung sabi niya dito, yung arawang kita niya daw is 478 and 28 days yung hinahanap natin how much, di ba? So ilan daw lahat kaya yung ma-earn niya in 28 days. Okay? So after knowing what is being asked, what are the givens, we need now to execute the plan. Or I mean, kailangan na natin magplano, tama? So alam na natin yung problema, we need to plan
Yes.
na. So what operation is to be used?
Multiplication.
It must be
Multiplication.
multiplication. So what is the number sentence? It is multiplication. Okay. So, ha? Yes? Yes?
What do I mean?
Ha?
What do I mean?
What?
What is multiplication?
What is multiplication?
Times.
Okay, multiplication is a process wherein you are or the numbers are being multiplied. Wait. So wait lang.
Ate, pwede mo na ito.
What did you draw?
Nothing. I draw nothing.
Hello, chair. Oh.
Oh. Oh, no.
What the?
Ano yun yung?
And it's hard to make YouTube channel because we have
Anong sabi?
Because you have...
class.
Wait lang, wait lang.
No, after class. After class.
I will see.
If it's vacation, I will make
Bakit? Anong lumabas?
about
Wow.
Clear.
I'm making a pizza.
I-close mo lang ulit. Restart. 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 Internet connection.
Sana I can draw too.
Internet connection.
Oh my God.
I keep on drawing and who's erasing it?
Restart. Restart.
Why can't I see my drawing?
Restart. Restart.
Annie, you can see your drawing.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah,
let's
I know.
continue. Ayan. So, restart mo lang ulit.
Then let's chat
Okay.
later.
Okay. So let's continue. So after understanding the problem, we need to have a plan. So what is the operations to be used? Multiplication is the process wherein you multiply numbers. Parang kunwari yung I don't know the word, but then
Teacher, it's the like you're plussing it for
yeah,
these
for many,
times.
yeah, something like that.
It's hard to explain.
Yeah. So basta it is a process in mathematics wherein you need to or the number is being multiplied.
Alright, where is my drawing?
Sir, what is the multiply like this?
Ha?
Like this.
Yung X.
I draw this one. It's so hard.
Hey, I'm right.
My hand
Okay, so let's continue.
Okay.
Wait lang.
I
Okay.
found it's so hard.
Okay, so after knowing what is being asked, what are the givens, what are the operations to be used, what is the number sentence now? That would be
Multiplication.
multiplication. So 475
Times
times
28
28.
equals
Okay.
to number.
So 475 times 28 is equal to unknown or n, di ba? Okay. So, how are we going to carry out the plan? So, dahil alam na natin na multiplication ang gagawin, then, what are we going to do now?
I'm gonna put it in the right.
Carry out the plan and solve. So, we have 475. Saglit lang.
Ouch.
Okay. So, we have 475 times 28. So, we have...
Why did you not screen share again, sir?
Huh?
You're not screen sharing.
Yes. We need to solve it.
Annie will do it.
I was
So-
drawing something.
475 times 28 days. Tama?
Yes.
Okay. So, what would be the answer? Paano na tayo mag-multiply?
We
Ones
go to the
ones.
ones.
Ones to
Ones
ones,
to the-
ones to tens, and ones
Ones
to
to hundreds.
hundreds. Okay. So, Daniel Rob, what is 8 times 5?
Times 5.
Yes?
Hurts. Ouch.
Mental math.
It's so easy. I start with the 5 because that's the easy way to count.
So, skip count by 8 or skip count by 5? Daniel Rob, what is 8 times 5 or 5 times 8?
I skip count by 5 because that's the easy way.
Yes, 5.
It's
Okay, Krishani?
40.
That is 40. So saan natin isusulat yung 0 or yung ones?
At the
At the top of the 7.
Dito, di ba? 1.
No, the 4, the 4.
Okay. So the tens digit would be at the top of 7. Okay. So 8 times 7, Isabella? That is?
I don't know.
You don't know? How about Kiran? What
Okay.
is 8 times 7?
Times 7,
Yes?
72.
Ha?
62.
That would be?
52.
Chanel?
52. 56.
That is 56.
Oh.
So 56 plus 4,
60.
that would be 60. Tama? So dito ulit sa taas. Oh, okay. Recorded naman. Happy?
No,
Maybe check your internet
My-
connection.
it's my sister.
Ay. Okay, so 8 times 4,
32.
what?
32.
32?
Plus 6.
32 plus 6 is
38.
38. Therefore, we have the partial product which is 3,800. Tama?
Yes.
Okay, how about tens digit to ones digit? 2 times 5.
10.
10. 10.
That is 10. So, saan natin susulat yung tens digit?
In the 7.
Dito sa taas.
Teacher,
Okay.
I X the 4. I X the
Okay,
4 so
X
it's not
natin.
there
Oh.
already.
Okay na?
There.
Okay,
Yes.
how about 2 times 7?
14.
14.
So, that is 14 plus 1, that is?
15.
15.
Okay. So, 2 times 4
8. 8. 8.
plus 1.
8.
9.
9. Can you
Therefore,
plus it?
you need
One.
to add.
Zero.
So, bring down
Yes.
0.
Bring another 0.
So, 8 plus 5.
13.
13.
Yes, that's correct. That's 13. So, 9 plus 3 plus 1.
12.
12.
13.
That is 13. Therefore, our final answer now is 13,300.
300.
But then, we are not yet done, di ba? So, we need to create a,
Estimation.
no, that's not it. So, we need to look back, okay? Check if the solution is correct and if it makes sense. So, ang pera ba, na, ang in-earn niya na 475, ay nadagdagan ba? Or nadadagdagan ba?
Yes.
Yes. Therefore, nadagdagan ba at naging 13,000?
Yes.
Does it make sense?
Teacher. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Teacher,
So
I think
therefore,
you need to put PHP.
yeah, later. Okay. Okay. So the answer is, or our final answer must be, Mr. De La Rosa earned 13,300 pesos in 28
Voice crack.
days.
Voice crack.
Okay. So that is the answer. So get it?
Yes.
Have you understand the lesson?
Yes.
So let's go back to our steps. So we have 4 steps, di ba? So UPCL. Okay? So
That's
you need to memorize that. UPCL. So understand the problem?
UPCL.
Yes. So understand the problem. and plan, then carry out the plan and solve, and then you need to look back, or in other words, check. Okay,
What is the U, sir? What is the U?
what is the U? Understand problem.
How about the U? C, how about the C?
Teacher, what is we're done?
What?
Sir, what is the remaining time comes back?
The remaining time is 10 minutes. Okay, so how you understand the lesson?
Yes.
Okay, so try to answer this one. So if a kilo of mango costs 140 pesos, how much 8 kilos cost? So this is only multiplication ha, walang ibang gagawin kundi multiplication.
We're gonna do that on the module, teacher.
Write it on your notebooks. Then we're going to answer it later.
I will screenshot it. I will screenshot it.
Sir, I cannot. I will picture it.
Yeah, I have my module.
You have your modules naman, nasa module yan, I think.
I screenshot it, sir.
Nasa module.
The module.
Okay, so
But I wanna write it, sir. I wanna write it.
Teacher, what is the answer? Oh, I'm not asking the answer.
So later, let's continue our discussion about what is this? Solving multi-step routine and non-routine problems together with creating problems involving multiplication with addition and subtraction. So ibig sabihin, dalawa-dalawa na. Okay, so dalawa later.
140?
Ha?
8? That
Yes.
is 140.
Yes.
And that one is 8.
Okay. Yes. So try to follow the steps, okay? So yung
Sir, I cannot
UCPL.
end it yet.
Yes, I won't end it yet.
Tomorrow.
This is already on your worksheets. Okay? So this is already on your worksheets na.
Is here the week 3? Oh, the week 6?
Week 5. Week 5.
I did.
don't like tomorrow.
I
Not yet, teacher.
Teacher, we will write just the answer.
No, you need to use the what is asked, what are the given, understanding problem, ganon. So you need to follow the steps. What is asked, what are the given,
Goodbye, teacher.
and under plan, what are the operations to be used, what is the number sentence. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 and 6. So one question must have 6 answers. Okay.
One question must have 6 answers.
Yes. So what is asked? What are given? What are the operations to be used? What is the number sentence? Solution, and then your final answer. Okay. So for sa final answer natin, parang
Teacher, it's like I will just copy in the book.
why?
In the UCP.
Yeah.
We'll draw bubbles.
So what are the what are the given? What is asked? Parang ganun lang. Pare-parehas lang. Okay.
Then go bubbles.
If
Okay, so finish that one na, and see you this afternoon 2 o'clock, okay? For our live
Wait.
discussion ulit.
wait,
To
sir.
discuss problems naman involving multiplication with addition and subtraction. So
See you later.
later naman gagamitin pa rin natin si UPCL.
UPCL.
So you should
2
memorize it.
p.m.
Yes, 2 p.m. po. 2 p.m.
I will memorize
right
it
here.
later.
So try to memorize the steps.
Not that.
I'm done.
Okay.
I'm done writing that.
Oh, sir, wait. Wait, I'm not writing that.
This is already on your modules.
2 p.m. I write there, sir,
Okay.
so I can draw it.
Wait, so I'll make
The,
sure.
when we will
I'm
start
going
in
to
the
erase it.
afternoon.
I'm
I will
going to
erase
erase it.
It's in page 28.
Yeah, there's no need to copy kasi andyan na sa modules nyo.
Ano, we will not copy.
There's no need to copy na kasi andun na.
I will not copy anymore.
Yeah. Andyan na sa modules. Okay, so see you 2 o'clock. Yes?
I will
I'm
write 2
drawing
p.m.
something.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh,
Wait,
no.
sir. Where am I?
Wait.
No, I'm drawing something.
Sir, you
Wait, sir, I will
didn't.
write 2 p.m.
You didn't.
Wala na, screen share. Okay, so that's it. Have a
See you
nice day.
later.
Okay, have a nice day. Eat your lunch and then we will have our live discussion this afternoon. 2 o'clock. Okay.
Bye.
Country.
See
So
you tomorrow.
goodbye.
See you later.
See you later.
Later.
Rob, I will add you in my